اللهم रब ज़िदनी इल्मा, ए मेरे रब मुझे इल्म ज़्यादा दे, आमीन.
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Now here is some more work, and here is page number 73, and here read the caption with me. Another writing practice you have to do. Read the caption, writing practice. Write a few things that you can do. They are asking that you have to write few things what you can do by yourself, and they have given examples here. I can read a book, I can sing song. So few sentences I have written for you, and please try to make your own sentences. I'm just giving examples, okay? I can write, you can say I can write, I can read, I can jump, I can draw pictures, I can swim. Now this is the first portion, and the second portion they are saying write two things that your friend can do. For example, my friend can jump up and down. Here you have to write two things about your friend, and in the first portion you have to write about yourself what you can do. So I have written one sentence for you. My friend can play cricket. Okay, and the last one, this you have to do by yourself with the help of these examples given. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Now here is another exercise. This is your CD book, and here is page number 21. What you have to do, read the caption, subtraction from 10. Read another caption here, subtract from 10 and write in the box. Here is a number line. With the help of number line you can subtract these sums, or here are the pictures also. Either you can use picture for subtraction or you can use number line. First I am going to explain you how will you subtract with the help of number line. 10 minus 0 is 10. 10 minus 1, what you have to do, just keep your pencil here, and you have to jump like this. 10 minus 1, you will get the answer 9. So here I have written 9. 10 minus 2. Here are the pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 things, and you have to minus how many? 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way you will do you will solve these questions till here. And now here is question number 7. Now subtract 10 minus 1. For this these sums you can use number line. 10 minus 1 is 9. I have already explained you here. Now question number 2, this is B. 10 minus 4. Keep your pencil here. 1 jump, 2, 3 and 4. What is the answer? 6. So write 6 here. In this way you will solve these two sums. I hope everyone has understood this page. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Let's do some more reading from our ORC book. Here is page number 32. Read aloud. Come on, read with me. Read aloud. The quick red fox can run. The big ox cannot run. And here are the words ZIP, zip, VAN, van, QUILL, quill. Are you reading? I hope everyone is reading with me. Good. KILL, kill, KIT, kit, KISS, kiss, VIM, vim, VAT, vat, zigzag, Z-I-G, zig, Z-A-G, zag, zigzag. K-I-D, kid, V-E-T, wet, Q-U-I-T, quit, Q-U-I-C-K, quick, Z-E-N, zen. And here are the letters, small and capital. K, and the name of the letter is K. W, and the name of the letter is V. And here is a sound Z, and the name of the letter is Z. Qua, and the name of the letter is Q. Now see, the quick red fox can run. See, the fox is running. And here they are saying the big ox cannot run. See, it cannot run. In this way you will read this page at least 5 times. Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आपकी नज़म की किताब है, तो आपने ये नज़म खोलनी है, जानवरों की बोलियाँ, और इसे पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं। मुर्गा बोला कुकड़ू को, सुबह हुई मैं बांग ही दूँ। चिड़िया बोली चूँ चूँ चूँ, दाना दंका मैं चुग लूँ। तोता बोला टें टें टें, मुझको चूरी खाने दें। कौवा बोला काएं काएं, आओ सारे मिलकर खाएं। बिल्ली बोली म्याऊं म्याऊं, मैं तो दूध मलाई खाऊं। तो बच्चों, इस नज़म को आपने इस तरीके से पढ़ना है। शुक्रिया।